Welcome to Nava Disha Tech Learning. Today we are breaking down function calling. It's an important idea in LLM. So, what is function calling? Function calling lets LLMs invoke structured external functions based on natural language requests. It's one of the core ideas in LLM. Here are the key things to know about function calling. First, schema description in system prompt. Also, model outputs JSO with function name plus args. Another key point, execute function and feed result back. On top of that, enables tool use and agents. Finally, Open AI, Claude, Gemini support natively. And that's function calling in simple terms. Come back for another LLM concept tomorrow.